Hey everybody, this is my 15-year-old cat, mother to everyone, and these are my 2-week-old cockatiel chicks, and she is so sweet to them. She'll curl right around them, she licks them. She's just the sweetest thing in the world. Which one's the one with the opened eyes? One of them has open eyes now, but I think it's sleeping, so can't tell. Yeah, isn't that cute? That's my kitty. She's such a good girl. Oh, baby. Sophie? No. Uh-oh. That's just cute. I just can't help it. This one has white down feathers right now, so but you can see the black wings, the feathers coming in. This one's the one with the eyes open, I think. Let's see. Oh, can't tell. Yeah, there we go. See the eye? Oh. Okay. Mommy and Daddy want them back, so I guess I'm getting them back. Oh, there's another one with eyes open right there. All right. Take care, everybody.